I'm really excited to be able to bring you updates to the word questions. Now, not only are the word questions actually changed to be better in some situations, but they're now structured so there's one per page, so it's much easier for students to work on. And I've also modelled every single one in a video for you. I've been wanting to do this for a while. Word topics are a difficult topic for a lot of people to teach and also for students to solve. But there's also a lot of misinformation out there, such as using the keyword strategy to match specific words to specific operations, and that fails 50% of the time. If you want to know more about that, come over to the teacher notes section. And if you scroll down here, there's teacher notes about how to actually solve the word problems, and it will walk you through that process. I'm really passionate about developing that whole school approach to solving word problems. And part of that is using the new modelling that's come out from Makara, that understand, plan, do, consider, communicate process. It's not actually new. It came from Polya with his understand, plan, do checks. So when I have modelled the videos, I've done them in those 4 sections, and then I've included the communicate within that check and consider section of each video. Another reason I've really wanted to overhaul the word questions is to incorporate what I've learned over the last couple of years about all the new information that's coming out about the science of learning, things like cognitive load theory and instructional hierarchy. If you want to learn a little bit about that, I really like the 2025 Grattan report that came out. And if you go to page 19, there's a nice little summary of the instructional hierarchy. This is what I've used to base the planner for the word questions on. So we start with acquisition, where they're really understanding and getting lots of explicit teaching with that block practice. And then they repeat that with fluency to repeat that exact process, but with similar questions. We then look at generalising it by interleaving it. So we might, for example, learn just about addition with think boards and then subtraction, and then we will get to interleave the addition and subtraction, so to have to choose which operation. I've also used that space learning and then interleaving with moving from part whole questions through to comparison questions. They stop at the acquisition and fluency stage for that. I haven't gone on to the interleaving of the part whole and comparison questions. That would be something they could do after bomb blocks. I want to walk you through the structure of the word question pages. So there are 12 word questions. The first 6 are part whole questions. The addition and subtraction is mixed within there. The next 6, so questions 7 to 12, are a little harder. They are all the comparison structure. You don't have to watch every video. However, the first one in each, so question 7 of the comparison and question number 1 are slightly longer. They're the ones that I would definitely show the class. They start with a definition of what that structure is. That video and the rest of them all follow the same sequence. First, I read the question to the students. That's just there for students who can do the mathematics but can't yet read. So you don't feel you have to watch that. You can skip it with the timestamps. I then model that understand, plan, do, check, and I've included the communicate within the check process. You can download the new questions either from the activity page, or if you go over to the download hub, they're also there. The answers are just after the mathematics and language if you scroll down there. A difference that you will notice from the yellow to the purple to the teal is I purposely reduced the scaffolding of the questions. So we start at that really concrete stage with the same colours and one-to-one correspondence and the blocks fit on the frame. And then you'll notice in the purple chapter, it's been reduced a little bit. And then eventually, by the time we get to the teal chapter, we're not using blocks. We're just using that diagrammatic approach. So that's a very gradual process for you over the 3 chapters.